The advanced version of this, you're still going to do the rotation for the upper half of your body. You're going to turn and look behind you, elbows and upper half of the body are going to follow. However, the bottom half of your body, you're doing the forward to backward flexion of the hip bones. And so this is a compound functional movement. Forward to backward with your hips, side to side with the upper half of the spine. This is working all three regions in the movements that they're designed naturally to do. 30 reps in the morning, 30 reps in the evening, right before you go to bed.